What's up everybody? In today's lecture, I will teach you how to pass funded challenges in a single trade. This strategy works on every asset, if it's forex, crypto, or if it's indices. So I won't waste any time and jump straight into the concept, but make sure to watch the whole lecture because I hate to see people asking for my Telegram in the comments. You guys should learn how to trade by yourselves. This lecture and this concept is all you need. Just watch it and learn it. No one can make you profitable if you don't know how to trade by yourself, okay? So, in this lecture, we will use IPda data ranges, okay? First, we will draw some lines on IPda data ranges concept. IPda data ranges. What is IPda? Interbank price delivery algorithm, okay? So first, I will draw some lines on the basis of IPda data ranges, and what it will do is you will get rid of all the headaches like drawing support and resistance, drawing liquidity levels, because when you draw these levels for yourself, this is all you need. Those are the liquidity levels, and I will show you here how it works, how it is the liquidity levels, okay? So if you are using indices, you should draw these lines on XP and Nasdaq. If you are willing to trade on forex like euro, then you can use euro and GBP. If you are willing to trade on crypto, you can use Bitcoin and Ethereum. You should draw these lines on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I am here using indices. I will draw these lines on S&P and Nasdaq, okay? So what you have to do is you have to open your weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, and this is the bottom, this is the top. So what I will do is I will draw this fib line from the bottom to this top, and as you can see, this is only 0.5 fib level that I am using. So you draw this level. Now draw this on the Nasdaq. So I will draw this level on the Nasdaq too, and you will see what you get. This is going to be so interesting. So this is your level on the Nasdaq and the ES. Now before going forward, I will explain what is order block. So in this lecture, what order block will mean is our down closing candle, okay? This is the example of this is the bullish case, so I will discuss the down closing candle, okay? This will be something like this, and then you will get a next candle which closes above this, okay? Like this is the down closing candle, and the next candle will close above it. So in today's lecture, this is what I will mean by the order block. These two candles, okay? A down closing candle followed by an up closing candle. So when I mention order block, this is what I mean. Now I will remove, okay, I will leave it as it is. Now that you have drawn these lines, you can see that on Nasdaq it has swept the 0.5 fib level, and on S&P it hasn't. So this is your important liquidity level, okay? You got a sweep on one pair and there is no sweep on the other, so this is called S&P divergence. Now once you see the sweep, you can see that the sweep happened on Nasdaq, so we will open this Nasdaq chart. So you can see the order block here, a down closing candle, this black one, and followed by an up closing candle. This is called order block. So once you get this sweep and you get this order block, what you have to do is you have to wait for the price to come down to the 0.5 fib level of this candle, this black candle. So this is the 0.5 fib level of this candle. You have to enter here, okay? You have to enter here, and you have to put your stop loss below this swing low. So you can see you got a trade. This is the weekly chart. You will see these order blocks on daily, 4 hour. So once below this 0.5 fib level, you see an order block, you will enter into your longs and you will put your stop loss here. So you can say this is your trade. So you got a trade on IPDA data ranges. Now what we will do is we will draw another line. So this was 0.5 fib level. Now what we will do is we will draw a line from this 0.5 to this level, okay, to this top. Now let me change it. Okay. Now I will draw the same line for the Nasdaq. I will draw this line for the Nasdaq too, from here to there. Now you can see that the S&P, it swept this 0.5 fib level, and you can see on Nasdaq it didn't. So this is the weekly chart. If you shift to daily, let me mark this level. If you see an order block, the bearish order block, that will be your signal to short. Let me shift to daily if we have any order block on the daily. So there we go. This is your order block, an up closing candle followed by a down closing candle, and this is the 0.5 fib level. So this is where you have to enter when you enter here. So that's your trade. You can see that this single trade is enough for you to pass any funded challenge. Now let me shift again. So I will shift to weekly. You can see here that again the price came to this level, the 0.5 fib level, and again in Nasdaq you got this sweep, okay, and on S&P it didn't sweep this level. So again this is your order block. You have to enter the 0.5 fib level. Your stop loss will be below it, and again you can see that you got a pullback, but you are good to go. We are good to go to this 0.5 fib level again. Okay, here you can see that it swept this level and Nasdaq didn't, so you got this pullback. Now both have swept this level, so we have to wait for a next sweep. So this is your trade, okay, this from here to the 0.5 fib level. Now both have swept this level, so you have got to wait for some other levels, maybe the sweep of this level, or if you draw any other 0.5 fib levels. Let me draw it. Okay, both have swept this level, so you cannot enter into your shorts here. Again, you can see both have swept this level. Now if I draw another 0.5 fib level, you can see that it hasn't swept this level. Let's see if Nasdaq has. So still both haven't swept this level. So what you got to do right now is you have to wait for the sweep of this line on this pairs. If S&P sweeps it and you get an order block, this is where you have to short, okay? And if Nasdaq sweeps it first and you get an order block, this is where you have to short. So this was all about the IPDA ranges and the order blocks. So this should be enough for you guys to pass any funded challenge. Thank you guys.